Here is a question from JEST 2021. A spaceship moves away from Earth with relativistic speed v. So this is Earth. This is spaceship. It is moving away. Let us denote spaceship by SS, velocity of or speed of spaceship with respect to Earth. This is equal to small v. And it fires a shuttlecraft in the forward direction at a speed v relative to the spaceship. So this is the shuttlecraft, and its speed is given to be, let us denote shuttlecraft by SC, speed of shuttlecraft with respect to spaceship. This is not with respect to Earth, this is with respect to spaceship. It is equal to v. The pilot of the shuttlecraft launches a probe in the forward direction at a speed v relative to the shuttlecraft. This is a probe. Speed of the probe with respect to shuttlecraft is equal to v. All of them are moving in the forward direction. The question is, what will be the speed of the probe relative to the Earth? So we have to find out v probe with respect to Earth. So this is equal to, if we apply a relativistic addition formula, Vp minus Ve divided by 1 minus Vp times Ve divided by c square. Now you have to measure the speed of the probe and Earth in the same frames. So let us take it to be the shuttlecraft. Speed of the probe with respect to the shuttlecraft is v, but speed of the Earth with respect to shuttlecraft is to be found out. So let's find this thing, speed of Earth with respect to shuttlecraft. This is equal to, again we can apply the velocity, relativistic velocity addition formula, Ve minus Vsc divided by 1 minus Ve Vsc upon c square. Both should be measured in same frame. Let us take it to be spaceship. Speed of Earth with respect to spaceship is minus v, because speed of spaceship with respect to Earth is v. Therefore here there will be a minus sign, minus speed of shuttlecraft with respect to spaceship, it is equal to v divided by 1 minus speed of Earth with respect to spaceship is minus v times speed of shuttlecraft with respect to spaceship is v divided by c square. So this is coming out to be minus 2v divided by 1 plus v square upon c square. This is the speed of Earth with respect to shuttlecraft. Now let us substitute this value in the equation for speed of probe with respect to E. So speed of probe with respect to E will be equal to, speed of probe with respect to shuttlecraft is v minus speed of Earth with respect to shuttlecraft is minus 2v divided by 1 plus v square upon c square, minus 2v divided by 1 plus v square upon c square divided by 1 minus VPSC is V and VESC is minus 2V upon 1 plus V square upon C square divided by C square. Now this is to be simplified. Note this down because we are going to new page. So velocity or speed of the probe with respect to earth, this will be equal to P plus 2V upon C square plus V square divided by C square, the whole divided by 1 plus 2V square divided by C square plus V square divided by C square divided by C square. This is equal to V plus 2V C square divided by C square plus V square. We are taking this C square to upside, divided by 1 plus, you take this C square here, 2V square C square divided by, and you multiply this C square with C square plus V square. This is equal to V into C square plus V square plus 2V C square whole divided by C square plus V square divided by C square into C square plus V square plus 2V square C square divided by C square into C square plus V square. These two gets cancelled. Therefore we have speed of probe with respect to earth is equal to, this C square will come to the top, V into C square times C square plus V square plus 2C square divided by C square times C square plus V square plus 2V square. C square gets cancelled. This is equal to 3C square plus V square times V divided by 3V square plus C square. This is equal to, if you divide by C square throughout, 3 plus V square by C square divided by 1 plus 3V square upon C square times V. This is option C.